The entire film is not talking about LGBT community, but it's talking about discrimination.
लॉ पास हो जाएगा अगर होता है तो, फिर भी लोगों के एटीट्यूड्स बदलने में तो सैकड़ों साल लगते हैं.
Such an initiative is a great measure to provide guidance.
Anurag Kashyap's character, I would have loved to play that character.
Q card and the directory would provide solutions. And of course, the frills of getting discounts for the LGBT community, it's an added bonus. एक बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है एंड जहाँ पर ऑफ कोर्स बिसाइड्स द फ्रिल्स के डिस्काउंट्स आपको मिलेंगे बट फॉर द LGBT कम्युनिटी this is a great thing because any reference they need any reference they need any help they need I think the Q card and the directory would provide solutions whether it's legal help or you need a psychologist or a doctor, whatever you may, because often you do get into nasty situations, and that's when you need proper guidance. And such an initiative is a great measure to provide guidance. You know, it's wonderful. And of course, the frills of getting discounts for the LGBT community, it's an added bonus. Yeah. The film associates because it's an organic fit. The film talks about identity. The entire film is not talking about LGBT community, but it's talking about discrimination. Discrimination is a part of you and me or anyone you meet, and especially in the LGBT community. You could be discriminated because you are of a certain faith in a minority area. So one story is based in Kashmir, one story based in Kolkata, where a woman just wants to have a baby and without the burden of a man, but she is discriminated against because it's not the done thing in society. So somewhere identity, somewhere discrimination, and I think a Q card is also again the birth of this is because there is a discrimination, right?
Well, I think it's a great idea to start off with because there's a whole uproar about of Article 371. No one knows. I mean, I don't know clearly what's going on really with it, and I think a lot of people here don't know what really is going on with it. There's judgments being passed, but we don't know. I mean, it's not clear. There's some date given right now, so I hear. So I'm just saying, what I'm trying to say is that a lot of people are scattered, and if you have an idea that actually brings a collection of people together, it's like a club, you know. So then you do a lot of work. A lot of people who feel displaced have one place to go to, and that's the Q card is a birth of that. I don't know yet if it is the answer, it is the place, but it is a birth of getting a community together, which is a good idea.
The film will certainly make a difference to understanding what police brutality and the criminalization of homosexuality has done, but will it change India's attitudes? Very little. It takes a long time and many films over many generations to change attitudes. It also requires a social reform and social change. So I think the most important thing is that films should keep being made, but side by side there should be other efforts within society to try and change attitudes. बहुत खुश क्योंकि इस देश में जितने दरारें, जितने भेदभाव के भावनाएं हैं, सब हैं, चाहे दलित ब्राह्मण के बीच में हो, हिंदू मुस्लिम के बीच में हो, आदमी औरत के बीच में हो, रईस और गरीब के बीच में हो, सभी दरारें हैं यहाँ पे. तो एक दरार अगर कम हो जाता है एटलीस्ट लीगली, मैं ये समझता हूँ कि हालांकि लॉ पास हो जाएगा अगर होता है तो, फिर भी लोगों के एटीट्यूड्स बदलने में तो सैकड़ों साल लगते हैं, सैकड़ों नहीं, 10, 20, 50 साल लगते हैं. तो लेकिन इट विल बी अ स्टेप इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. मुझे 4 कहानियाँ में से 2 बहुत पसंद आई और 2 पसंद आई, स्पेशली मेघा और और ओमार मुझे बहुत पसंद है। The other two films I like, but these two subjects जैसे ट्रीट किया है उन्हीं ने मेरे दिल को sort of ज़्यादा छूता।
किस बात से प्रॉब्लम है तुम्हें रुबीना? इस जन्नत में जीने की सजा से।
मुझे कोई ऐसा चाहिए जिसे मैं पसंद हूं। और तुम कौन हो?
अनुराग कश्यप्स कैरेक्टर जब वो अपने स्टेप सन को सेक्सुअली अब्यूज़ करता है, उस कैरेक्टर प्ले करने में बहुत मुश्किल है। आई वुड हैव लव्ड टू प्ले दैट कैरेक्टर।
अच्छे बच्चे बनोगे तो माँ भी खुश होगी।